Welcome to Placement International. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the J-1 visa program with Placement International. If you're dreaming of launching your hospitality career in the United States, this is where it starts. Step 1. Application and eligibility check. The first step is simple. You submit your online application and upload your CV through the Placement International platform. Once we receive your application, our team carefully reviews your qualifications to make sure you meet the J-1 visa eligibility requirements. Here's what we're looking for. You're a student or recent graduate in hospitality, culinary arts, or tourism, or a young professional in the industry with at least 5 years of experience. You have conversational to fluent English skills. To get to know you better, we may also schedule an initial screening call. This helps us understand your goals, your preferences, and the type of experience you're looking for. Step 2. Interview and host company matching. If you pass the initial screening, the next step is a formal interview with our Placement International team. After that, we present you with available internship or training offers from our trusted network of luxury hotels, resorts, and fine dining restaurants across the United States. We take time to match you with a host company that fits your skills, your career goals, and your personality, because cultural fit is just as important as experience. Step 3. Offer confirmation and DS 2019 issuance. Once you accept your offer, we begin the visa sponsorship process in collaboration with the program's designated sponsor. You'll receive the DS 2019 form, that's the official certificate of eligibility for exchange visitor status. Placement International will guide you through each step, including paying the service fee, collecting and preparing all the required visa application documents. You're never alone in this process. We're here to help. Step 4. US. Embassy interview preparation. Next comes the US. Our team provides personalized interview training and a detailed document checklist so you know exactly what to expect. You'll book your interview at the US, and we'll help you prepare answers, understand the visa requirements, and feel confident and ready for this important step. Step 5. Pre-departure orientation. After your visa is approved, we organize a pre-departure orientation to help you prepare for life in the United States. We'll cover everything you need to know, including US, cultural expectations and etiquette, housing arrangements and daily living tips, program rules, insurance information, and emergency contacts. And of course, travel planning and arrival instructions. Our goal is to make your transition smooth and stress-free. Step 6. Arrival and check-in. You'll travel to the US and arrive before your program start date. Within 10 days of your arrival, you'll complete your SEVIS check-in with a visa sponsor. Placement International is here to assist you with that too. Then comes onboarding at your host company, where you'll begin your training or internship in the exciting world of hospitality. Step 7. Ongoing support. Our job doesn't end once you arrive. Placement International provides ongoing support throughout your entire program. Whether it's advice on cultural adjustment, help with workplace challenges, or ideas for travel and exploration, we're just a message away. And when your program comes to an end, we'll guide you through your next career steps, wherever they may lead. So that's the journey, from application to arrival and beyond, with Placement International and the J-1 visa program. Hospitality industry begins here. Apply now and take the first step toward a life-changing experience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more international career guidance from Placement International.